Okay, I want to do a quick screen recording to show you guys how to do a contact sheet. So you can put multiple pictures on here and then label them. A contact sheet is usually used to select the photos that are going to be printed, considered, whatever, from a big sheet of a whole bunch of photos. In this case, we're using it to allow you to put all of your work on one sheet so I can review it quickly. So I'm going to put 4 pictures on this as an example. I start with this. I just use the biggest web thing. You can see how many inches it is. Remember, this is 72 pixels per inch. That's important because if I go to image size here, you'll see that it's that. If I ratchet this up to 300, my size gets a lot smaller, okay? You need to know that because when you go here, this image is actually already at 300, which means its image size comparatively. It's image size comparatively. If I go to 300 with this one, its image size is huge. So I need to resize this, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna Command Z there. I'm gonna go to image, go to image size, and I'm gonna shrink this guy way, way down. It's gonna resample. I'm just gonna go, I can go down to 500 because it's gonna be really small on that other page, okay? Command plus if it bugs you to zoom it back out. Now when I go Command A, I'm going to select all, Command C. I'm going to use Command tilde to switch back over to my layout, and I'm going to go Command V, and that's all right. That's maybe even bigger than I wanted, but it's all right. Okay, so that's how I get that one on there. Do the same thing. Image size. Drop it down to, in this case, let's go 400 because it's the other dimension. Okay, Command A to select all, Command C. Okay, I didn't tilde over that time, but Command V to put it on here. I'm going to go Command T so I can shrink this down a little more. Hold Shift. Whoops, sorry. Backwards now. I used to hold Shift to keep from stretching it. And position that on there so that I can get all 4 images. Okay. 2 more. Image size. 400 again. Okay. Command A, Command C, Command tilde. Tilde again. Looks like I didn't get that guy to stick. Whoops. I have to click off that. It's going into that space instead of, it's replacing that picture instead of giving me a new layer. There we go. All right, so I'm going to Command T these guys. I want you smaller, kids. There we go. I have to click off it to accept the changes. There's another way. Command T. I've shrunk it, but I didn't accept the changes until I hit the move tool, or I hit this arrow, and now it'll stay that size. One more picture to get. Image size. 400 again, because we got another vertical. Command A, Command C, Command tilde back to my contact sheet, Command V, and Command T to shrink it, move it, accept my changes. I just clicked off it in that case. That also works. Okay, and then obviously I have 4 different layers, but I am able to position these as I need to. Okay. And then whatever I need to put in here as far as my text for the assignment, it's just hitting T, using the text tool. And labeling it what I need to, okay? Whether it's shutter speed, aperture, whether it's the exposure settings, whatever it is, I am able to put my labels under it in whatever size I need to get them on there. And then all of my work, all my photographs are on one sheet. So, of course I just save as, okay, or actually export, quick export as PNG, which we can do now because Schoology now takes PNGs. So PNG works. It's a good format for anything that's going on the web. So I can export as PNG, upload it to Schoology, and it'll be fine. Okay, so that's how we do that.